Banish dandruff at home, the 3 natural solutions for a flake-free scalp. Hey everyone! If you're anything like me, you know the struggle of looking in the mirror only to find a snowy landscape on your shoulders. Dandruff. So in this video, we'll explore 3 natural solutions for a flake-free scalp. We'll learn about the science behind each remedy and show you how to use them at home. So if you're ready to say goodbye to those pesky white flakes and hello to a healthy, happy scalp, stick around. And before we get started, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel for more awesome content, and share this video with a friend who might be fighting their own dandruff battles. Our first dandruff-busting solution is tea tree oil. Derived from the Australian tea tree, it has been used for centuries as a natural antiseptic and antifungal agent. But what makes tea tree oil a dandruff destroyer? The secret lies in its active compounds, particularly terpenin 4-ol, which have powerful antifungal properties that can combat Malassezia globosa. This pesky fungus thrives on the oils on your scalp, breaking down sebum into irritating byproducts that cause itching, flaking, and general scalp discomfort. Studies have shown that using tea tree oil on your scalp can reduce dandruff symptoms, leaving you with a flake-free head of hair. So how can you incorporate this natural wonder into your hair care routine? It's easy. Just add 10 to 15 drops of pure tea tree oil to every ounce of your favorite shampoo, shake well, and use as you normally would. For optimal results, choose a shampoo that already contains tea tree oil as an active ingredient with a concentration of around 5%. This ensures an effective dose of the oil in every wash. Use your tea tree oil-infused shampoo daily for up to 4 weeks to see a noticeable improvement in your scalp's health. And don't worry about the strong medicinal scent of tea tree oil. Once you rinse and condition as usual, the scent will dissipate, leaving your hair smelling fresh and clean. Alternatively, you can massage your scalp with tea tree oil. Mix a few drops of tea tree oil with a carrier oil like coconut or almond oil. Gently massage this mixture into your scalp, making sure to cover the entire area. The carrier oil helps to dilute the potency of tea tree oil, preventing any potential irritation while also providing additional moisturizing benefits. Leave the oil blend on your scalp for at least 30 minutes or even overnight for a more intensive treatment. This allows the tea tree oil to penetrate deep into your scalp, tackling the root of the dandruff problem. Repeat this process 2 to 3 times per week, and you'll start to notice a significant reduction in itching, flaking, and scalp irritation. However, while tea tree oil is generally safe for topical use, it's essential to perform a patch test before applying it liberally to the scalp. This helps to ensure that you don't have any allergies or sensitivities to this potent oil. Simply apply a small amount of diluted tea tree oil to a small area of skin on your inner arm. Wait 24 hours and observe the area for any signs of redness, itching, or irritation. If you experience any adverse reactions, discontinue use and consult with a dermatologist or healthcare professional. Remember, tea tree oil is a potent substance, and a little goes a long way. Start with a low concentration and gradually increase as needed, always diluting it with a carrier oil before applying it directly to your scalp. We're moving on to solution number 2, apple cider vinegar. This versatile liquid, produced from fermented apple juice, has gained popularity as a natural remedy for various ailments, including dandruff. And the magic lies in its acidity. You see, apple cider vinegar's acidic nature helps to balance the pH level of your scalp. This creates an environment that's less hospitable to the Malassezia globosa fungus. This means less itching, less flaking, and ultimately, a healthier scalp. Here's how you can use apple cider vinegar to stop dandruff. First, mix a 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar with a 1/4 cup of water in a spray bottle or a cup. Then, after shampooing and conditioning your hair as usual, pour this diluted apple cider vinegar solution over your scalp. Next, gently massage the solution into your scalp, ensuring it reaches every nook and cranny. Allow the mixture to sit on your scalp for at least 15 minutes, allowing the vinegar to work its magic. Finally, rinse your hair thoroughly with water, making sure to remove all traces of the vinegar. You'll be amazed at how soft, shiny, and flake-free your hair feels. Typically, a weekly apple cider vinegar rinse is enough to keep dandruff under control and maintain scalp health. Adjust the frequency based on your scalp's needs and sensitivity. If your scalp is oily, you might need to use the rinse twice a week. Conversely, for a dry or sensitive scalp, once a week or even bi-weekly could suffice. As if banishing dandruff wasn't enough, apple cider vinegar offers a plethora of additional benefits for your hair and scalp. Its acidic nature helps to clarify the scalp, removing product buildup, dirt, and excess oil that can clog hair follicles and hinder healthy hair growth. Moreover, apple cider vinegar can help to detangle hair, leaving it feeling soft, smooth, and more manageable. Apple cider vinegar can also enhance shine and luster, making your hair look healthier and more vibrant. It does this by smoothing down the hair cuticles, allowing light to reflect off the hair shaft more evenly. Alright, let's move on to the third solution on our list, Manuka Honey. This unique honey comes from New Zealand and is made by bees pollinating the Manuka tree. It is rich in potent antifungal properties, including methyl glyoxal, or MgO, a powerhouse compound for fighting off fungus, including Malassezia globosa. So, how do you incorporate this wonder honey into your hair care routine? Let's find out. Step 1. Grab a tablespoon of your chosen Manuka honey and put it in a small bowl. Step 2. Add a small amount of warm water to the honey and mix it well until you achieve a smooth, easily spreadable paste. The consistency should be runny enough to apply evenly to your scalp, but not so watery that it drips everywhere. Step 3. Once you've prepared your honey mask, apply it to your scalp. Step 4. Start by sectioning your hair to ensure you apply the mask directly to your scalp, not just your hair strands. Step 5. Apply the honey mixture with your fingers or a brush, gently massaging it into your scalp. This massage not only helps distribute the honey evenly, but also promotes blood circulation, which can be beneficial for scalp health. And for optimal results, use the Manuka Honey Hair Mask once or twice a week. And there you have it. 3 natural and effective ways to combat dandruff from the comfort of your own home. We explored the power of tea tree oil, the clarifying properties of apple cider vinegar, and the soothing benefits of Manuka honey. Remember, everyone's scalp is different, so what works best for one person might not be the perfect solution for another. Don't be afraid to experiment and find the treatment that best suits your needs. If you found this video helpful in your quest for a flake-free scalp, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tips on hair care and beyond. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family who might be battling dandruff too. Let's spread the knowledge and help everyone achieve a healthy, happy scalp. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.